I've been in this space now for almost 10 years, and for all of those years, I've been glued to the charts, watching candles, setting alerts, missing sleep, and generally missing out on life. Watching trades go in the green, watching them then pass into the red, and doing it all over again the very next day. But here's what I've learned from almost a decade of doing this the hard way. The market does not care how many hours you put in. Bitcoin does not care that you watch the 15-minute chart for 6 hours straight today. And the cruel irony, most of those hours are absolutely just wasted because Bitcoin spends most of its time going nowhere, sideways, just grinding, and for that time you're sat there losing sleep over a chart that is actually not even moving most of the time. So I've made my decision. I'm automating everything. As you know, in 2026, AI is getting crazy and it's definitely changing a lot of lives for a lot of people. And I personally am moving to trading bots. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it and how you can actually do the same as well. I'm going to show you exactly how these bots have been making money in the background while I sleep, while I travel, while I do literally anything else apart from being glued to the chart. So the platform I'm using for these bots is called Pionex, and all the links are in fact down below this video. And as of right now filming this, there is up to $1,000 bonus that you can use to go ahead and start trading with your bots. I've also made a website which is linked down below as well called copymybots.io, and you can click on this, get all the information about which bots I'm running, about different updates, which I'm doing daily updates about different parameters for the bots. So it's completely free. You can go ahead and check it out. So before we do get into the video, guys, I need to make a quick disclaimer. As you know, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making a video about his journey in crypto. And also, if you're in the UK, UAE, or USA, please do not watch or engage with my content. So I need to give you some context. I've been trading crypto manually since around 2017, and I am pretty good at it. I have made probably millions of dollars trading crypto, but it's not the same as it used to be. Manual trading means you are always on. You're always watching. You cannot take a holiday without checking your phone. You miss trades when you're sleeping, and when the market is sideways, which honestly, it seems like it's most of the time these days, you're sitting there watching nothing happen and doing nothing with your life. This is where the bot changes everything. Look at 2024, February all the way through to November. Nothing, months of sideways price action. If you just held that time, you would actually have made nothing all throughout that time period. If you tried to trade manually, buy the dip, sell the highs, you probably got emotional, you probably missed your entries, and you probably sold too early, because that is what humans do. We get scared when the price dumps and we get greedy when the price pumps every single time. The great thing about bots, guys, is they don't have emotion. It buys low, it sells high. It buys low, it sells high. Over and over again, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without you even touching it. While you sleep, while you train, while you spend time with people you actually care about, that is the whole point. That is why, after nearly 10 years in this space, I am trying to automate my trading. So what actually is a grid bot and how does it work? Of course, you can find all the information on copymybots.io. It will be linked down below, but of course you're watching the video, so let's get into it. So a grid bot is basically an extremely simple process once you understand it. You define a price range, let's say Bitcoin between 85K and 110K. Inside that range, the bot creates levels of grids. Think of it like a ladder. After every step going down, it opens a buy. And after every step going up, it takes profit. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Automatically, endlessly, no emotions, no hesitations. And here's honestly what makes it so powerful. Over on Pionex, you can in fact apply leverage to these bots. Of course, you're not going all in at one price. You're spreading your risk across hundreds of dozens of levels. So when price dumps, your bot is not panicking. It's buying the dip. And when price recovers, it's taking profit every single time on the way back up. The volatility that makes trading stressful is exactly what makes these bots profitable. So there are two types of bots on Pionex. Spot bots, where the bot actually buys and sells the underlying asset. You can never actually get liquidated on that. The worst case is you can just wait. And then we've got futures bots. Futures bots use leverage, meaning you can generate much larger returns on the same amount of capital. There is, of course, more risk, but when you set it up correctly, the risk can be controlled and contained in a way that regular leverage trading is just not the same as doing this with bots. The question people always ask me when I talk about bots is, are they a scam? I totally understand why. We've all seen the platforms that promise some AI mystery bot and nobody can really explain how it works. That is not what this is, guys. With Pionex, you can see every single trade the bot makes in real time. You see what it buys, you see what it sells, what price, what time. There is absolutely no mystery. It's just automating what you yourself could theoretically do manually. However, it would take you an eternity. Everything is in your Pionex dashboard, live and transparent. You can see every single thing it is doing. So why Pionex? There are a lot of exchanges out there with different bot features, and I've tried and tested a lot of them. In my opinion, Pionex is different because the entire platform is built around bots. It's not a feature which they bolted onto their exchange. It is the product. Every part of the platform, the interface, the tools, the UI, all of it is designed to make trading bots simple. They're regulated with an MSB license in the USA, headquartered in Singapore, and it's not just some anonymous exchange operating out of nowhere. And the sign up bonus in the description right now, guys, is one of the best I've seen for a trading bot platform. So let's talk about how to sign up and get your bonus. Step one, use the link in the video description. It's going to get you the best possible bonus at the time of filming this. You don't really need to claim KYC to go ahead and claim it. Just go to the link and create yourself an account. Step two, go to deposit funds, get your wallet, hit deposit, send some USDT across. The amount that you put during the first 3 days of your account determines your bonus tier. So if you deposit 100, you'll get 100. If you deposit 500, you get 300. You deposit 1,000, you'll get 500. 5K, you get 800, and $10,000 if you deposit, you get $1,000 bonus. And the profits you make from the bonus bots, you get to keep it as well. So you can withdraw all of these profits. There is actually an extra bonus just for opening your first futures grid bot of $100 and keeping it running for, in fact, 7 days, which honestly, it's pretty good if you're going to do that anyway. So once you've funded your account, go to futures at the top of the platform and then click futures bot. You will then see a bot creation panel on the right hand side. Click grid futures bot. And the first step is, in fact, to choose your asset. So you go over to the left side. If you start with Bitcoin, for example, it's the most watched asset in the space. You're always going to be paying attention to it. For new traders, avoid smaller altcoins or meme coins or things like this for the start because they are very, very volatile. Step two, long, short, or neutral. In a bull market, go long. The bot opens position where the price drops and takes profit when the price rises. Short bots are for bear markets, or if you think the altcoins or crypto has in fact bottomed and it will continue to rise. And neutral does in fact play both sides, but in my opinion, it's a little bit too conservative. Number three, set your price range. So this is where you define the upper and lower limits of where you think Bitcoin is going to trade, and the bot operates within this range. If price moves outside of it, the bot pauses and waits for you to get back into this range. Give yourself room. Don't set the lower limit exactly where you think the bottom is. Give it a bit more space below major support. Step number four, the number of grids. So this is how many levels the bot buys and sells at within your range. More grids means more frequent trades. Between 100 to 300 is a solid starting point, if you're going to trade Bitcoin. The platform shows you the grid profit percentage also per bot. Step number five, the size and investment and the leverage. So for Bitcoin, 10x leverage is okay on normal futures, but however, for bots, I usually like to play with around 3 to 5x absolute maximum. It reduces the stress and the leverage on this bot, and I think overall it's just a safer practice to do. Also, the auto reserve function allocates extra margin to protect you against liquidation. For altcoins, of course, keep it on. For Bitcoin, maybe you could not use it, but honestly, I really preach safety when it comes to bots. Number six, hit create. The platform shows you exactly how much capital it deploys immediately and how much it holds in reserves to go ahead and buy these bots. So If you did in fact create your own bot, amazing. That's absolutely crazy. Amazing. In the next few weeks and months, hopefully your bot will be performing well. However, for somebody who wants to copy a bot like my own, you can go over to the website copymybots.io. It will also be linked down below as well. And if you don't want to set all of that up yourself right now, honestly, you don't have to. Head over to the website. That's where I list all my bots I'm currently running, the exact parameters, some of the results I've had, live performance. It's updated almost every single day, and you can copy my bots directly from one simple click. Make yourself an account with using the link down below on the description or the website. Go ahead and deposit, get your bonus, and then all you need to do is go to the website and find which bot you want to copy. I'm adding new bots, I'm removing bots, I'm updating it almost daily, so go back to the site and check it out. Also, in future videos, I will be updating it as well. Once you're done, click, and then all you have to do is have the bot performing alongside what you're already doing. Honestly, it's the easiest way to get started if you're new to this. You can get the account live, funded, and head over to copymybots.io, choose your bot which you want to copy, and it can all be done probably within 15 to 20 minutes, absolute maximum. So I want to round off the video by giving you some common mistakes that I see people doing when it comes to bots. The first one is too much leverage. Don't use 50x, don't use 100x, even 10x, it's pretty high when it comes to bots. I am personally using 3 to 5x leverage, absolute maximum. So starting the trading bot at the top of the move, if Bitcoin just jumped 20%, that is probably not the moment to go ahead and start a bot. You want to wait for a pullback. Exactly as I'm filming this, Bitcoin is around 70k. It pulled back from around 125k, the all-time high, and potentially it could be a good time to start a long-term bot. As I said previously, these are long-term plays. They're not simply just basic in and out within a day kind of bots. So that is the full picture. After nearly 10 years, guys, of doing it the hard way, I'm telling you, automation, in my opinion, is where it's at. Not because you can't trade manually, because this frees up time. You can have trades running, go about your day, and if you really see a good entry point, go ahead and enter a manual trade yourself as well. Over the next coming weeks and months, I'll be updating this channel with my socials, with new bots, new setups, and new results, so you see exactly how these bots are performing. No fluff, no cherry-picked screenshots, just the actual data. Here is what you need to do right now, guys. Of course, go down below to the description, click the Pionex link, make yourself an account, deposit, head over to copymybots.io. You can also find the links there as well. Follow the steps, go ahead and watch the video there if you wanted to, and then find a bot which you want to copy. Of course, Bitcoin is the easiest one to start with and probably the safest. And then sit back, relax, and enjoy the results. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to comment down below if you did want to enter to win that $100 every single week, and I'll catch you in the next one.